Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find your Facebook page number using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to locate your unique page number, which is often needed for connecting with third-party tools or managing your account more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. From here, select the page you want to manage. If you manage multiple pages, you'll see them listed, so just click on the one you're interested in. After you enter your page, look for the menu on the left or at the top, depending on your layout. Find and click on the About section. This is where Facebook stores all the essential details about your page. Now, scroll down until you find the Mobile section. This area contains your Facebook page number. It's usually displayed as a long string of digits. This number is unique to your page and can be used for various integrations or support queries. If you don't see the Mobile section right away, keep scrolling. It's sometimes placed further down, especially with the newer updates. Remember, this number is different from your page's username or URL. It's a specific identifier used by Facebook. That's it. You've successfully found your Facebook page number using just your PC and the latest Facebook layout. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.